Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will be talking about how to make money from YouTube Shorts in 2025. So whether you are just starting or already creating shorts, these tips can actually help you grow your income. So first of all, you need to understand that there are three main ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts in 2025. So if you come over here in your YouTube studio and click on this earn tab in the left hand section, you will see your eligibility for earnings. Over here, if you just scroll down, you will see the short monetization criteria. So you can earn here with the help of the YouTube ad revenue and the YouTube partner program. So if your channel has 1000 subscribers and 10 million short views in the last 90 days, you can join the YouTube partner program. Once you are in, you will be able to earn a share of the advertisements money that are shown between the shorts. Now instead of the bonus funds, creator can now earn with the help of the super thanks option. You will find that option over here. If you just click on it, you will see the super thanks option. So now the super thanks option is also available for the shorts creators. Viewers can tip you directly, so make sure that you turn that feature on in your settings. Even if you are not in the partner program, you can still work with the brands, or you can add affiliate links in your video's description or in the pinned comments. If people buy using your link, you earn a commission. So the bonus tip here would be to keep your shorts engaging, use the trending sounds, and add always strong hooks in the first 2 seconds. So those are the top ways to monetize your YouTube shorts in 2025. You need to focus on growing your audience, staying consistent, and using every feature YouTube gives you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you are ready to earn from shorts. I will see you in the next time.